You know what the mascot bird of America is, right?
Um, the three-toed raven,
No, try again, man. You know this. You got it.
the bald eagle.
The bald eagle, right? Yeah.
All
And
right.
everybody thinks that the bald eagle makes this sound. Is that a bald eagle, Natron?
That's a screaming eagle, my friend.
Yeah, that's actually a
Yeah.
red-tailed hawk.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Because that's what I believed an eagle sounded like.
yeah. Bald eagle actually sounds like this.
Hmm.
Really? I know, right?
It's really disappointing.
Perfect reaction. No, I don't want to believe that.
That can't represent America.
Right.
Oh, what the hell was that?
What is that? Is that a phone from the 1970s?
That or there's a ringing in my ear.
Should I answer it?
I think so. Isn't that that's what we do with phones?
All right, I got it. I picked it up. Hello? Is anybody there?
I'm a bald eagle, and this one's for America. Jackass.
Oh my gosh! We just got
Holy
schooled.
smokes.
Did you hear that? The bald eagle made the red-tailed hawk sound, or was it the bald eagle? Was it the bald eagle sound?
That's amazing.
He just told us off.
How did he dial that rotary phone with wings?
I don't know.
My mind is blown.